Your mood is closely connected to what you eat every day. The food you choose can either boost your mental health or make it worse. Eating healthy is not just about your body, it also affects your brain and emotions. First, your brain needs good fuel. Foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats support brain function. For example, fish like salmon and mackerel contain omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s help reduce depression and anxiety by supporting brain cells. Next, fruits and vegetables are full of antioxidants. Antioxidants protect your brain from stress and damage caused by harmful molecules. Eating colorful fruits and vegetables daily can improve your mood and energy levels. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, and whole wheat provide steady energy. They release sugar slowly into the blood, preventing mood swings and tiredness. When you eat refined sugar or junk food, your blood sugar spikes quickly, causing mood crashes and irritability. Also, probiotics found in yogurt, kefir, and fermented foods support your gut health. Your gut and brain are connected through something called the gut-brain axis. A healthy gut helps produce more serotonin, a chemical that makes you feel happy and calm. Avoid too much caffeine, processed foods, and alcohol. These can increase anxiety and disrupt your sleep, which affects your mood negatively. Sleep is very important for mental health, and eating poorly can make it harder to rest well. In summary, what you eat plays a big role in your mental well-being. Choose foods rich in omega-3, antioxidants, whole grains, and probiotics. Avoid processed foods and sugary snacks. By eating well, you help your brain stay healthy and your mood stay balanced. Take care of your mind by taking care of your food. Good food equals a happier, healthier you.